Carver City runs 3 youth basketball leagues, each with 12 teams. In each league, 4 teams are not on the schedule to play this week. How many teams are playing this week? All right, so let's think about this step by step. First, there are 3 leagues, and each league has 12 teams. So let's find out the total number of teams. 3 groups of 12 means 3 times 12. That tells us how many teams there are altogether. Next, we are told that 4 teams in each league are not playing this week. All right, so now we have to do something else in the same problem. Whenever you move on to a different thing, you have to take your first operation and wrap those in parentheses. So we are told that 4 teams in each league are not playing this week. Since there are, once again, 3 leagues, that means that's going to be the number of teams not playing is 3 times 4. So let's write that over here, 3 times 4. Now I wrap that in parentheses because that is its own operation. These are the number of teams not playing. These are the number of the teams in the league. The question is asking how many teams are playing this week. So we need to get rid of the number of teams not playing from the number of teams in the league, and we do that by subtraction. Now this problem involves order of operations, and the way I like to do order of operations is I remember PEMDAS. Now the P in PEMDAS stands for do everything inside the parentheses first. Then you do exponents. Then you multiply left to right or divide left to right. Doesn't mean you always multiply first, doesn't mean you divide second. You just go left to right and you do multiply, divide, whatever order left to right gives you. Then, if you have addition or subtraction, you go left to right with that as well. Doesn't mean you always add first. Now, I'm going to do everything inside the parentheses first. And you know what? I see 2 groups of parentheses. So that is going to become something minus that is going to become something. So 3 times 12 is 36. 3 times 4 is 12. Now I'm done with everything inside the parentheses, no exponents. Looks like I don't have to multiply or divide here. And I just have a subtraction problem left. 36 minus 12 is 24. Now this is a word problem. So make sure you answer using words. How many teams are playing this week? 24 teams are playing this week. And that is my answer.